For centuries, we have overcome many challenges, some more difficult than others. But the good news is, this too shall pass, and we will be here. We will be here waiting with open arms and a warm smile, with the sounds of the birds calling us to come out and dance to the rhythm of nature, with a vibrant rainforest to soothe our souls, a regenerative farm run by humble and noble hands, providing fresh, organic products to serve at your table. Feast in our Moondrops Lounge with the company of our beloved staff. The same staff that is patiently waiting to greet you with a warm Pura Vida. We care for you and we miss you. That is why, when this is all over, we will be here for you. Keep safe until we meet once again.